Therefore, because I corner a samba view, I acquire a samba. As someone, a more papa. Foul pen. Quotation is you a can now watch it. No one can answer there. Oh, kind. I will say now, someone perform with 3 moon. And now on conquer direct you. Now, ma say the bunny no, your elder, as I will fear you. Elder Ofori. Ofri PIWC, Church of Pentecost. And now, yes, I can name. Yes, I'm to one common so. Yes, I ended up for but in fact, and intimate, yes, sir. And part 2 near the mandate of man. The mandate of man. Any a time to us. I before I said, Dodashi. I got over Dodashi. Yenka. Let go. Nyak nye mau agbato wale nke o bagbato na o ifia mau ko nsan de gbato ma mau na gbato nsan yo bana dumi de shade ka ye wojia wa gbato ma tan woji du ma gbato ba ko nsan na ni ko je ya na doji ya bo ba ko nsan na anu e ko ba trozu kluvina ma o katan donc la bale a to na dagble alo a dogana la toshi a choma ba to ma gabalio alo be ya be dila mo vile tale ko shiwavi ko jovi ko amivi bana ba ko doya va ko do ajina a do aji po na la mata do aji po mo ifia avana mo iko na la do mo bon o ba la do angonu you want to choose Kuvina, Americo, the one of home, I want to choose Kuvino. Yo, first, elder.
Yeah.
Wisdom.
Yeah,
welcome.
Thank you.
Aqua.
Yeah.
Bienvenue.
Benedict.
What is so merci?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Last week, you didn't come over.
Okay.
Now, and then so you send me some.
Okay.
You sent to us a common also.
Okay.
You to us.
Yeah.
The mandate of man. In fact, in some I can a view of a bommy and cassa, a bommy pusa. Now, then so me pass a sent to us. Na ye hwe was last week you know comment we be nipa be pese e o mo de yen san to aso.
Okay.
Enti ye to aso ahwe the mandate of man.
Okay.
Ichi share ni Yakobon dia manipa.
Okay.
Tumi ya nyame dia manipa.
Okay.
Nipa to akwa mu da ho.
Yeah.
Which me why could ni kakra ma.
Yo, e dey da se ahweafo nso esa eba mofie na ye de nyame hira ne na sundwe enka obi biara otie efa health ministry abrebia na enenso no ye de ho ehye wo nkronkron san sanse asem ye ade bia me kan se nyame asem enye ni pasem na nyame asem nso eye hu enti obi obetumi ama wonti ase a emudo nkyerɛkyerɛ a emudo no ɛyɛ wo nkronkron nti wamfa asɛm na nhyɛ ho nkronkron san na ɛsɛ wo ba be ye wo pɛ
wo kan o history
yes
experience
sa
me na so say so was it no or the software was it software no jai ne mo sra sa kan experience yo ye ni na no mo sra experience ko no
sa nti abrebia no ɛsɛ ye de ho ɛhyɛ ho nkronkron sɛ be ya ye ntumi enka ye experience emom ye bɛka ni a ho nkronkron no pɛsɛ ɔde de ye ko nti otumfo nyankopɔn wo a wobɔ osoro ɛne asase
amen
na asam no woni asam no na asam de ye wo nyankopɔn
Jesus
ne no wie so ye de ho ehye wonsa
Jesus.
se erade bi aniwa ye nti ase aniwa se be ye bete wasem mase yi na bi ya no se be ye betumi aka na obi biara otie ye nso no bi na koma fa wonsa ka wo ma se be ya asem no on be ye tiefo no ma ayeye oyefo so na oma ye hira we ene yesre ewo doba Kristo die mu. Amen.
Amen.
Na watwa atwem no ye hu the mandate anase asede eniama anyakopon de ahye ne pa na ye bobo niama bebre so na essence de eye part 2 aye pese ye toa so nte no ye memma recap anase summary ewo ni a ye di kan esua ye no na ya toa so efi ho. Na first question ye bisa de say den ena ye nipa ya sedie ena ye chiche mu ade a ye frɛ ne mandate anase asɛdeɛ nankasa akora no ɛyɛ deɛ ena me chiche mu sɛ mandate ɛyɛ sɛ obɛ commission obi anase odi dwumadi bi ɛhyɛ obi nsa sɛ onye ena ye hu sɛ Bible mu no ɛyɛ Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 to 27 no Nyankopɔn so ɛde asɛdeɛ ɛma nipa na asɛdeɛ a wɔde ama nipa ne sɛ ɔbɔ asase ɛne nneɛma nyinaa wɔ asase wiase nyinaa wie ya no ɔma nipa ɔhyɛ nipa ɔahyira nipa ɛna ɔse nipa ɛso aba ɛna ɔsan hyɛ nipa sɛ ɔndi nneɛma no nyinaa so nti ɛhɔ na ehu sɛ ne je sɛ dwumadi Nyankopɔn de ahyɛ nipa no ɔbɔ yɛ ɔno ankasa ne sɛ so ɛna wahyira yɛn ɛna wahyɛ sɛ yɛ multiply na sɛ yɛnyɛ fruitful ɛna wasan hyɛ sɛ yɛndi nneɛma no nyinaa so nti dwumadi a nipa Nyankopɔn de ama nipa ne ɛna yɛsɛ hu sɛ saa dwumadi na sɛ tumi na Nyankopɔn de ama nipa no ankora nipa afebɔ anaasɛ yɛhwe ase na nneɛma yɛhwe ase no ɛyɛ asoɔden sɛ nipa yɛagya Nyankopɔn asamato yɛagya Nyankopɔn ne ato na yakotie ɔbɔnsam anase
gya Nyankopɔn ahyehyɛ ya
ato saa na saa hwɛse no mu no nso asobon ne bɛn na ɛde brɛ nipa ɛna yɛhu sɛ yɛbɛyɛ yɛne Nyankopɔn temti ɛna yɛsɛ hu sɛ yɛbɛyɛ akoa ɛma bɔnsam ɛsan sɛ ɔbɔnsam hu sɛ yɛsi yɛ nipa bɛyɛ tok wabɛyɛ gini wabɛyɛ zombie Nyankopɔn ɛno nyam ɛnni nipa so nti no yɛsi a yɛbɛyɛ ade a yɛhyɛ bo yɛdi ɛho
powerless.
Yes yɛni tumi bia nti ɔbɔnsam ɛde yɛ ɛbɔ jaskeli ɛna yɛsɛ hu sɛ ɛnam sɛ yɛahwere saa nneɛma no nyinaa nti no afei ato nipa nkasa ho de yɛpere sɛ yɛbɛsa nya saa tumi no back na saa tumi no mu no ɛho hwehwɛ mu no ɛno na ɛma yɛtumi so mboso saa tumi no a yɛbɛsɛ saa tumi no reinstate no ho no ɛna ɛma yɛde som boso yɛde som ɔwɔni yɛde som nsuo yɛde som ɔwɔ yɛde som asase yɛde som awia yɛde som bosome yɛde som nneɛma bebree a yɛbɛtumi abobɔ so bebree abɛsi nnɛ ɔmo a ɔmo nya ho nokora ne yɛ no ɔmo da ho ɛsom saa nneɛma no ɛno ɛda nkyɛn a ɛsan sɛ saa de no ɛwɔ yɛ mu nti no nnɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛto aso ne sɛ nipa bɛyɛ bɔne a ɛnyɛ nipa den bio nipa na Nyankopɔn bɔn yɛn sɛ yɛyɛ we are perfect without sin good yɛnyɛ bɔne
easy money pass over bɔne
very easy. The easiest thing for man to do is to sin. Now every nipa no ɛsan sɛ wahwere ase nti once you are fallen, once you are not connected back to God, when Nyankopɔn enni sankita when nesi Nyankopɔn no nyam fo so a, it is the easiest thing that man supposed to do. Onko school them ama yen kyerɛ no. Onko university.
Ada bato so die mo ha. Awafo me pese me ma mo tie ase ese. Ana mo tie de mo hwa ade me pese mo follow ni yi. Ene the elder kan nyina no. Ye hwɛ the effect of the fall of man. Ye hwɛ effect no. Nipa hwe ase no. Sunsuanso ben na dia abra nipa. Eno na elder e kyerɛ mo. Tibato. Yen Santo Asudu, DH Yanko, other Yanko.
Yeah. They said in America, no. First, international chronomono, our Romans 3:23, or say, for all have sinned. Ye nyina ya ye bone. Ama Nyankopon eno nyam aboye. So the glory of God, Nyankopon eno nyam na ewo nipa so. A wotumi di nyema nyina so. Nyankopon eno nyam na ewo nipa so, ema otumi ye nsira. Nyankopon eno nyam na ewo nipa so, ama bibibiare wasase awia bibia ehye nipa se no aboye. Inti se si ano nipa no hwehwe saa tumi no ewo nyama bebiomu. Ena esa se saa nyonyam ne nipa so no bone abehye nipa mu. Ontumi nya papa bi. Nipa entumi nya papa bi. Inti me ma onfatoro bi. Ohwa abofra beye 2 years. Otumi ko wia coins, otumi ko wia tofe. Okofa ebia oyi yesa no yetumi fa yi enam wo nkwan mu. Because almost one is kwanya ye faswa ye nam efri kwan. Na say you ye nam no wie na ye bisawa one ma wa adwen se obeka kire wa wo fo se enye wa. Owonipam
embedded.
It is part of us. Inti unko school ye maye nkyerɛw. Bone na ye di no. Bone bi wo wa obi tumi di wabusia wo ka se we die. Yana obi yasi nyina obi ani sa bone da.
Ono so invent ni dia. Oh bone.
That is it.
Odiaba.
Bone a wasasi so nyina no bisa ho se wan na kire nipa. It is once you are
effect of the falling
of man.
Na diaba.
Until we do sin naturally.
Ya feel say normal. And obi di tra or say no or feel say normal. Oko area the society bi peer pressure. Nas anase school po secondary schools and universities na TCC. Se ebia ni pakuo bi na fufuo no mama bochenku okuo bi omo na like se nyoma bi oho ye na wo no wo nye bi peni ato wo ye krifedodo.
Good. Because the normal thing for man is to do bad.
And if you are not following them to do bad, then you are too the way krifedodo.
Good.
Me pe say you ti e be kan sama ye nyoma bi ama. Ebema over for so as on so ba be so.
Yes. And nontina you also say Christopher ya say we are no and yes ade na ya kan. Because you will so be a ewo nipa mu a eba naturally a nipa mbrem e ye bone. Can the Japan na kala say we are born bad. Human being we are born bad. Bone ewo yemu. And no thing I must say, oh share social media, and I say, oh yeah, obi ye papa, yentumi nka, they said the nipa ne ye boni. Identity we are used to sin, we are used to negativity. Inti idea attract ne papa ye boni. Me ye marketing almost say when ton idea, also idea sell pa, oh yeah, research almost say, oh say nipa ne yi ne ho about nakedness. Sex, everything about sex sells more. Identity, but money. But as I say, you're born into no attracting nipa don't be brave because nipa be brave sooner away you moon natural and a bonnet. We are attracted to sin. We are attracted to negativity than good, than positivity.
So, which means bad news travels faster
than natural. Natural. Yashiase, nipa shiase. Nti esuna abese nipa biemu no boni. So we are comfortable with sin than good. So entina on say David Ekasembi. David said my mother conceived me in sin.
Bonimu na me na nyinsem. Bonimu su na me na wo me. Alisa kalabasunda.
You see, abano disobedient. The day man fell, the seed of disobedience that was in man is in every woman being. Unless no bani be man unless was assassin also when you born da, then it means you are not born by woman or man. But once you are born by flesh and blood, as human being, that is why everybody is a sinner. And tonight I must say, Christopher, you can say, Obi biara e born. Because we were conceived in sin, we were born in sin. Sin is part of man. Because we are fallen. So there is no good person on this earth.
And don't you know culture yes Christ so or you good or say don't call me good.
Good.
And frame me good. Me
Yes.
good.
Yes.
This is of what the end.
Yes. But now yes episode what phone be kire nipa da sani.
That's right. But some phone no horoma ya na hwe.
Phone na o pese o kire nipa ni say once you are a man and you are carrying the seed of Adam and you are flesh and blood, whether you have killed before or you have not killed before, whether you have committed abortion before or you have not committed abortion before, whether you have slept with someone's wife before or you have not slept with someone's wife before, you are a sinner. So there is nothing good about man. Into almost friend said good no, I said no.
Don't call me good.
Don't call me good. Meanwhile, it has been testified that Jesus has never committed any sin before.
The reason all kind of men so which means say yes you can't stand in children now the man, which means say the Adamic lineage, you know, connected through Mary.
Yes. Yes. This is the suit, the human suit, earth suit. Sa suit in one. Once I will share Sakoti. Sakoti.
Bonny coat.
Coat. Yami coat. A bonny coat. What's your coat?
So for all kind of no, come here can sing be. But I just have topic in the treat you. Go ahead. Now, young son shall deal with. Is there a hope for man?
Oh yeah. And Shira and Kanyankopon. Say Nyankopon.
Because yes, you are falling. Bonisu, the effect of sin. And no man, the effect of sin to a bit me to kind. Come.
Yeah.
Adam folly and Chebian and Emma. Effect in the bow also. Kelly Abel. Into qua kiki, anybody not face pine. Welcome we. And check the days of Enoch. The days of Noah, Fede Nyankopon say enough is enough. Genesis chapter 6 verses. Was who was a body part. Me and America say woman body part 7 says so. That's what you for Nyankopon say oh no body part. Genesis chapter 6 verses. Alentia. Because I feel you to me a bonnie my fair was some to me man never papa where they made me move the way Namia. Nipa ye bad papa. Now, so I am my would have so yes of so I fine.
Yeah.
Or finding a normal.
Yeah.
So I born. Now just imagine. Time come share about Ghana has to see. Obi to me did trust in Yaman Concron. No son Yaman Concron car.
Yeah.
Or to me can afraid Nakopa Ebisa Michael, yes, you say, so we say, now, Michael. Yes, what shall I say me Macan? Now, yes, we told name a one Michael, Master, so say that the effect of the fall of man. Then to be to crash and control. Effect in the end, the effect of sin or the effect of the falling. And let me buy Moses. Obi I won't want him fear. Now Obi say Moses. He is next to the throne. Or your prince. Obi but I say the Adamic nature. I say the lead a curse be Obi curse that say about Moses. Effect me as mama for Bia or him fear. Or your prince. He became a fugitive. The effect of the falling of man. Yes, you. Yantin nyoma bi ase
Yeah.
na nyesa abani bomu a o se banku ti obi hu se obi ko kwa ayi maame panimu a wa ne pa otimi ka se wo nyesi ne ba na ebo brapa no na ka che ne ba na se wo nye serious na wo mpe obi ne nko out adentia because the obedie
Actually, say.
the nipa be die ntira Adam ma ya hwiase ne ba ya no Adam the obedie nti the effect of the fallen the Adam be die nti the oba kan di be di nti o say oh now there oba kama say hwe wachi hwe de egu achi hwe hunam
Body
way power de hwe de wo so da akosua wa da and so akosua go the temple no ni temple na ye nyakopon asore dan no ni padua no obofo ba ma ho konkro and so na ma me say on fan kwa bontin ko se no ko difa adenti ya de ne ma me no obedie ti ohunu say normal the effect of the fallen obi na kan na say mother o say say Adam akodi apple na say difa brese de ni odi mekodi a anka de be si
Apple ahead
and she Adam kodi ye madam sister brother brother na so kodi a Kaubo who say yes. You can even see Kaubo who say no ko ho yi. Okay, jeme.
So
Anna, is there hope for man?
yes, there's hope for man.
So let us know. Let us know the hope. Let us know what hope we have.
Yes.
Because and some of those who hope I will.
Yes.
Obia rise ya Elijah would nyina to be rises because of the effect of the sin or the falling of a na Oma badani fugitive.
Yeah.
Joshua otimi ya because of the effect na avoid be a daw. David to me rise here wa rise here be here him ya man a mandate to become the king over Israel or him ponkesepa because of the effect of the fallen. Oko ye bone kese bia force radie mesro eyi hu konkron infamous. Those are some of the effect. Great men are fallen because of the effect of the fallen
of man.
So is there a hope for us?
There is hope. There is hope. Yeah, Pentecost for na yewa yenyumbia. Onokwa dia maya yet. I say Jesus muja nima sheshadi enoni many daso tumitu me yarwenina na ema me asunji moja dishi moja kron na no ne maja pade ye nida so aye wo no eye Kristo nipa de se ni bia so wo ye dagatini wo ye basreni wo ye asantini wo ye ibeni wo ye nkrani
We are kroboni.
wo ye kroboni wo fri Togo wo fri Burkina wo fri US wo ye Broni wo ye China ni
Open for all.
o se ade ba ko pe eye nida so aye wo manipa na se ni no eye Kristo. Inti John 3:16 eka asem bi eno ye a common thing na ye ka wo ye Sunday school ko ya sorry a ye ka say for God so loved the world senia nyankopon odo wiase. In other words, God is demonstrating his love through this means that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever who the stress here is the Bible no ya what dia awotie ya na so hwe ya Odi fa pe no fa whosoever. Nyankopon anye yimu. Say oje na me de ba no, me de ma Israel for, me de ma Ghana for, me de ma Togo for, me de ma Asante for, me de ma Igbe for, me de ma Dagati. Or say whosoever
Obibia
believes in him,
open floor.
believes in the name Jesus, believe in Jesus Christ, will not perish but have everlasting life. Nyo ba kire nyina ne se obi biara woji Kristo edi no Yakopon hu se nipa hwe ase anipa edia ayroho anase wabeye akwa amabonsam ena obone ena adokro yen adokro nipa no Yakopon se debi nipa na memidi kan bon no amesra no ameno nyam wo no so wo hwe ase no me wo kwan a ese me fa ese me je nipa bio nti kwan a Yakopon fa so a ota edi nipa desani ewa asase so ne no eye ne ba Kristo ode ne ba kro edi mai so obi biara obeji ne di no
Onyo yeraba.
ye wo mini on say so ade ba kwa ye hu wo Kristo so mu no ana say wo a wanji Kristo di ni say Nyankopon na testify say ore ne ba Nyankopon na say me bani me do bani Nyankopon na esi o nti ena ye nipa dasani Yesu ye di ho adanse ye se Yesu Nyankopon ba
Oyo
nti
nyameba
ha
parao.
oyo nyameba ampa nti Bible say nipa miensa there are three things that testify about Christ. That's the spirit, the flesh and blood. Nti spirit no Nyankopon. Nti say if you do not accept Jesus, you are saying that God is a liar. Ade yo mu no. So obi biara wanji Kristo ani no. Na say all part say Nyankopon your trophy. And that is why the very verse like I said, whosoever believes in him will not perish. Because when you don't believe in God, you will perish. God said, this is my son. If you believe in him, you will not perish. If you don't believe in him, you perish because you disobey God. Fine. Yan sha de bi. Obi bisa say, na adentina Kristo na wewu Israel. Oye Jiwi. Sa o say wahwe ni moja. Na de exa moja na ekwan be so it becomes a mystery before man. Kwan be so sra sa moja no ebeje nipa efri na hwe asem. Ba mpese ye metwe madu ya nipa ahwefo adwen kwa de be so. In the traditional setting, obi biara wotie oye bibini a wo hye ye bia no enim say ye nananom no mra omusom bosom so omufom bosom na bosom na ka kire on say fa odwan mra na say fa oba ebe ye mpata de ema busia no ema bone na ebusia ne ye no say be ya good meaning no Satan was with God himself. And he knows how God behaves. He on him the way a kingdom 70. Satan was reproducing the kingdom way of life through our forefathers. Sounds into Israel for now almost so Nyankopon Abraham asifo no almost so Nyankopon no. It was the same thing they were doing. No, Bible said that they have priests almost bompire now. The priests will suffer from penny for. So mo ye boni Nyankopon ache won say afibia no e so mo di odwan ene any mponche adeba na ponche no ye wo afode ne bi owa ese wo ka oman ni nyina bone e de gu aponche ne so na ha no obi o no maja no eno no ye omofra de bi ese escape goat ha o ka bon ne go aponche so a then leave and na ye wo baako bi so a eno no bon ne nyina no first on mind bon ne nyina mo ka kire pini sofo pini no na sofo pini no abon afore nti before what they afore ne bako no eso ono ankasa eso wo giti mu se oye bonyeni na bonni na wa ye no wa bon afore ansa na watumi di afore na eye online na dia no akorade enim. So he sacrificed for himself, then he takes the sacrifice of the people and their sins and then bring it before God and ask for forgiveness. That was the setting.
Now so no crime in adibi. Sa process no crime through sa process no asofo ni bi ko atimi.
Yes.
Na me ku.
Yes.
Do they for the bono ade odwan aboa ne ko akos pata ama oman no akos bone facha ama oman no.
Yeah.
Because the dia omu boa for the fe ho kunkun bia. Holiest of holies.
Okay. Nti
na okwa omu de ade akechire no nan na adoma esanso. Kinkran nti obi chebe bi no kuta eyino. So okọ na se kinkran no man tehwe a let's say tranala na oja for obi aso ntimi ngura.
Making obi be free say oh na wo ye Ghana ha na wo ka Israel for ho asam nti Israel for no de ne na matwa ho foni e de a kire no na sese ya ma yankasa ya oman abakosam kire se emre bi duri na okunkasie bi esi wo asanteman mu na emra asantefo no pese omukoko no okonfo pani na wo ho no e kire se e se ombo afore ye emma bosom no anase tumi na ebedi omanim amamako anase boni hands ya patade e na omo se eso mo pe ohene bi a ote se otumfo akasa e na omo ko fa kumawu hene
What's your
bo tunebu akodua
okay
tunebu akodua e na edi no ho e bo afore na afore na obo ye no ni moja na ehwiegu ye no ehwiegu ma asantman nti o hwa ye wa beko sem se esese kanka kumawufuo ono nipa ba ko na wode ne ho bo afore no akoya asem da ho se kumawu ni bie ni wa se ye be bo afore ene ye fa kumawu ni bie ambo afore